Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to fix Instagram DM glitch. If you are experiencing an Instagram DM glitch where messages are not sending, disappearing or not loading, try these fixes. First fix is to check Instagram server. Open up your favorite web browser and visit downdetector.com. And at the search bar type in Instagram and click on Go button. If there is an outage, wait for Instagram to fix it. Another fix is to restart the application. Close Instagram completely and reopen it. Try sending a DM again. Third fix is to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try turning airplane mode on and off. You can also clear Instagram cache. For Android, go to your settings application and tap on Instagram. Tap storage and cache and clear cache from there. For iPhone, you need to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram application. Tap and hold on Instagram and click on Remove App, Delete App and tap on Delete App option. After that, simply download it from your App Store. Another fix is to update the Instagram application. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. After that, tap on Instagram and click on Update button. You can also check if the user blocked you. If you can't send message to a specific user, they may have blocked you or deactivated their account. So that is how you can fix Instagram DM glitch. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.